Woo! How many more? That's it. Fall! Fall! Whoa! Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah, it's raining.
Yep. Het is koud met de droppen. It looks good with the water drops on the lake.
Yeah, no.
Looks nice.
It's very thick.
Whoa.
Still filming it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, done.
Where have you been? I think the whole trailer alone.
Yeah, I know, we've been shagging.
We've been 4 bunches all the way across. That's the yellow crew.
Goodbye, bananas.
Hey, I'm gonna give you my stick.
Yeah. Capiche?
Hey, you understand me, guys?
Capiche? You get off the trailer, capiche? That's Roy. We said one more, but he said 100. No, the other way around, wasn't it? Over now.